Connect Primary 1 for Egypt, Year 1, Term 1. Unit 6. Exercise 1. Look, listen, and repeat.
I can play the guitar.
I can play the drum.
I can play the flute. I can play the piano. Let's play together.
Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
Drum, drum, drum. Flute, flute, flute. Triangle, triangle, triangle. Guitar, guitar, guitar. Piano, piano, piano.
Exercise 3. Sing.
Bang, bang, bang. I can play the drum. Come and play with me. Toot, toot, toot. I can play the flute. Come and play with me. Ting, ting, ting. I can play the triangle. Come and play with me. Strum, strum, strum. I can play the guitar. Come and play with me.
Exercise 1. Listen and repeat.
Drum, d, drum, d.
Dog, dog, dog.
Dina, Dina, Dina.
Guitar, g, guitar, g.
جميلة جميلة جميلة.
Green, green, green.
Exercise 1. Listen and say.
I can hear. I can hear. I can hear. I can smell. I can smell. I can smell. I can touch. I can touch. I can touch.
I can taste. I can taste. I can taste.
I can see. I can see. I can see.
Now, look and draw. Look at the first picture. I can hear? No. I can taste? No. I can smell? Yes. Is it good or bad? It smells bad. Draw a sad mouse on the face. Look at the second picture. I can smell? No. I can see? No. I can hear? Yes. Is it good or bad sound? The boy is shouting loudly. It's bad. Draw a sad mouse on the face. Now look at the third picture. I can smell? Yes. It smells good. Draw a happy mouse on the face. Look at the last picture. I can hear? No. I can taste? No. I can smell? Yes. Is it good or bad? It's bad. Draw a sad mouse on the face. Now it's playtime. Follow and say. See. See a book. Smell. Smell a flower. Taste. Taste honey. Hear. Hear music. Touch. Touch objects. Now look and color. Green, red, blue, and pink. Thanks for watching, and now we say goodbye.